Hello guys, good evening.
Evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So guys, how many? Let's wait for others also. Just we'll wait for a couple of minutes. So meanwhile, how many of you are ready to write the queries in MySQL? So indirectly, I'm asking is how many of you installed successfully MySQL? Just type SQL. This many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 members are ready for ready with the installation. Others, here we have 16 more 6 members. Anyone is facing any issues, you can WhatsApp me. Fine, guys. Good to know that you all are ready with the SQL installation. Now, yesterday we have seen few things. So, can anyone tell me that what we have seen, what we have discussed yesterday? Points. Any one or two members can unmute yourself, or you can chat. You can message here in the chat box.
yesterday we yesterday we discussed about types of SQL commands like DDL, data definition language. In that we have done with the create, alert, drop, and truncate rename, and data manipulation language also we go through, and the data query language and TCL transaction control language and data control language also gone through. So, and
Yeah,
queries also we gone through some queries.
correct. Understood. So I will be asking you the questions, guys. Be ready because yesterday I discussed all the types of the SQL languages, types of SQL we have discussed. So guys, get ready. Within 1 or 2 minutes, I'm going to ask you a few questions and then we'll start the session. Okay. So just I'm giving you 2 minutes of a time. Couple of minutes. Go ahead. What we have learned yesterday. So yesterday we have seen. I guess I should have notepad. Yes, I got it. Yeah. So 1914 will more 2 minutes. So guys, just go through what are the concepts you have learned yesterday, and I will be asking everyone at least one question. Everyone will get the answer. If you are not responding, it means there is no meaning, guys. If you are not responding, being in this session. If you are in the session, you have to respond either chat or else in the voice form. So meanwhile, let me share my screen. Screen sharing. Yes, anyone is good with Paint here? I mean to say MS Paint. Anyone? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, actually the problem here is this is my Paint. Uh, Let me close this one. Don't save. Paint. Here it is. So what is my point is, for example, if I'm making this is a page. Now here I am like drawing a circle here. Okay. Now here this is a shape. This is also circle. Okay. This is a shape. Now I wanted to move them. So what I'm doing here is I'm just following some selection order. Selection, this one. So whenever I'm doing like this, it has to move. But this background part also coming out. This should not come out. Only this have to move. See here also it is coming out. I don't know why this. And I'm not understanding what to search in the YouTube. I searched but I'm not getting it. If you know anyone, you can help me out so that teaching will be become easier with this paint. With this paint I can explain much better. Okay. So this selection part is not working here. Whenever I'm moving this background, it seems like something gone from here. So if you have the knowledge, you can. Fine, guys. Now we are done with the time what I have given you. So once again, I wanted you all to type ready. Type ready, guys, so that we will start our session. Start. At least 10 members. I'm taking half case. If it is 19, 10 to 11 members have to type ready. That shows me that you are active, you are listening, you are with me, we are on same page. 1 2 3 4 5, only 5 members. Okay, fine, guys. Now let me ask the question. Yes, I understood. You all are ready. Good, guys. Now stop. Now my first question is to Kavita. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about DDL commands? What is DDL and the command names? Fatafat.
Sir, I was absent for 2 days.
You were absent.
I'll tell you tomorrow, sir.
Okay, Kavita,
Yes,
I
sir.
understood. You were absent, but you would have taken notes from someone and.
No one is writing it since, sir. I
Who is
asked
writing
many
it?
of them.
Okay. Guys, this is bad. You have to write the notes. Okay, fine. Okay, Kavita.
Okay, sir.
Next one is Bhavya. Bhavya, are you there? Hello? Yes, Bhavya. Yes, my question to you is what is TCL and what are its commands? Fatafat.
Sir, what is the question?
Yeah?
Once, can you tell once again the question?
Yeah. What is TCL command? TCL.
Sir, it's DCL or TCL, sir?
T for
Transaction.
correct.
Transaction control statement, control language, sir.
Okay.
So,
So what are the commands?
in that commands commit, rollback, and save point, sir.
Oh, very good. What is commit?
Commitments which in which changes are permanent, sir. And in
Okay.
rollback, undo operations will be done, sir. And in save point,
Good. Hmm.
we are setting a mark for that for the operations we have performed, like delete and update.
Good, Bhavya. Nice. And now next question is to Raju. Raju, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Bhavya. Yes. Yes, Bhavya. Nice. And now next question is to Raju. Raju. Yes. Yes, Bhavya. Nice. And now next question is to Raju. Raju. Yes. Yes, Bhavya. Nice. And next question is to Raju. Raju. What is the DCL command?
I am also absent for 2 days, sir.
My God, from 4 days you are absent, Raju.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is a Ramjan month, you know now. I can't
Okay.
suit this
Yeah, that
time.
is the reason we are taking the class 7, right?
Sir, I told Lakshman sir already. Extend the time. He said no. He said no, sir.
Okay, fine, Raju, understood. Now next one is Bhanu Chandra. Bhanu Chandra, are you there? And Bhanu Chandra is not responding. Yeah, Satya Sai.
Yes, sir.
What is DDL command and what are its commands? What is DDL and its commands?
DDL data definition language.
That definition. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what are the commands it has? Forgot?
Data. I forgot, sir.
Okay, fine. You are forgot. No issues. But you said the definition.
Yeah.
Now, next one. Who is next one? Vamshi Krishna. Vamshi Krishna, please could you respond? Okay, guys. Now I understood like you have learned something. Now let me start the class. Yes, all are ready? Fine. So last time we have discussed about what? All the types. Yes, all the types we have discussed about SQL. Now it is a time for me to show you the execution part, guys. So let's start. So you all are with me, all are on same page. I wanted you all to be on same page and let's do it practically today. Okay. So I wanted everyone to raise your hands once. Yes, we are ready. That is the indication. 20 hands I need. Good, guys. Now, before going that, I just wanted to walk you through data types. Keep a heading called data types fast. Everyone. Now, this is the slides. Yes. Is it visible, guys? Anyone?
Sir.
Okay. So guys, now here data types are really important. Just you can see here the rows, the actual data, name, breed, age. In this name we have blue. What name is what? It should be what? Characters, group of characters. Rocket, Monty, Sam. Okay. Now breed, Scottish, Persian, Tabby, Munchin, and here age. So do you think any problem in this table, guys, as per the data type? Is it all good? Hello. Guys, you all are listening or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is no problem, guys. Here name. So we all are having all the characters. Here breed, all the characters. Here age, all the numbers. Now, can you tell me what is the problem in this? Observe it.
In age, we are seeing like age.
Age, what is the problem?
Exact number is not giving, right?
And also here, which row you are saying?
In last two.
Last two. Correct, absolutely correct. Last two. So it means what? At the place of age, what it has to be?
Number. Integer.
Exactly. It should be numeric number, but here, what we have here, it is characters. So it is not fitting into this age. Okay. So now what we need to do? We need to think about it. What is the data type of this? Now you just tell me. Calculate the age, cat age. So what I can do here? 1 into 7. What would be the answer? 7. 3 into 7, 21. Now 10 into 7, how much? So we don't know anything. Like again, this into 7, it is giving us absolutely nowhere, no answer here. So I wanted you all to just take down this and then see here. It must be text. This column must be text and this column must be numbers. So just I wanted you to just take down notes. Just 1 minute of time I'm giving you guys. Done? Okay. Now we need to understand few data types here. Yes. Now I wanted you all to note down guys this. Otherwise you can take a screenshot of it. This is very important here. Numeric. In numeric we have different data types. Int, small int, tiny int, medium int, big int, decimal, numeric, float, double, bit. And in the string types we have char, varchar, binary, var binary, blob, tiny blob, medium blob, long blob, text, tiny text, medium text, long text, enum. Again we have date types, date time, stamp, timestamp, time, year. All these are data types. I wanted everyone to note down these things. So I'm giving you 1 minute of a time, 1 to 2 minutes of a time. Make it fast. Done? How many of you have noted down this? Where it is? Yes. Guys, you all have taken? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now whenever if I'm asking anything like medium text, so it comes under what? String type. So char, varchar, this is really important. Now you can also check this data types in the MySQL. In MySQL downloads, documentation, in the reference manual. Now I wanted everyone to try this and tell me the confirmation. Is it available or not? If it is available, type data types in the comment. What you have to do, you have to go to the Google. You have to type MySQL. In that MySQL first link, it will guide you towards MySQL. In that you need to click on documentation and then references, reference manual. Of which version? It is 5.6 version, guys, here. So I wanted everyone to type data types once you are getting this. from the website. 2 minutes of a time I'm giving, guys, for everyone. Type data types in the chat box after visiting this.
Sir, can you show me previous page?
Okay, so I will guide you once. See here. You should just go to here, Google MySQL, and then we have, you got this website. Now in this website we have documentation. Yes, in this documentation you have to search for that. See here, reference manual. In this reference manual 8.0, it is talking about what? General information, installing. And here we have data types. You can able to see the data types here. Yes. Now here we have, when we have data types, this is what? Numeric data type, time and date. So click on numeric. In the numeric, it is giving us integer, this all. Have you got? If you got this, you need to prepare from this, like what are the and how they are working. For everything, it is available in this manual. So if you are not getting, I'm just copying this link in the chat. Now check, and if you are getting, then you have to comment data type. Everyone, make it fast. Uh, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 members got from the link. So you can explore. You can explore those data types, how and what, everything. You'll be finding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can bookmark it, or you can save it anywhere. That would be helpful. Good, guys. I understood. It's working now. Yes. Now there is nothing much here. Now what is the meaning of int? Int means what? Maximum. Yes. What it is? With a maximum signed value. Means what? It is having what? Negative and positive also. Int, a whole number it is. Now varchar. What is the meaning of varchar? We have length. Means why I am telling you all this? Because these few data types which are really useful. Multiple times, frequently we are going to use these kind of things. Now here coffee. So all these characters are represented by what? Varchar. So now here we have varchar 100 we can write. Again here 50 we can take. Here it is integer. Okay. So varchar, char, these things are mainly used, guys, in the data types. So I guess data types are easy concepts. You need to go through, explore all those data types. Okay. Now coming to this, another part. Yes, DDL presentation. So let me help you out with the DDL commands. DDL, yes, DDL. What is the meaning of DDL? We already know. DDL commands in SQL are used to what? Define and modify the structure. This is very important, guys. So whatever I'm highlighting, that is important. DDL commands in SQL are used to define, modify, and manage. Manage. For this, I will mark it with a green. Define and modify. Okay. What? The structure of a database object such as tables, indexes, views, constraints, all this. Okay. Now, next one, create. So what is the meaning of this create, guys? Already we have seen the create command is used to what? Create new data objects. New data objects. Okay. Like tables, indices, views, stored procedures, all this. Now, guys, now important point is I wanted you all to note down the syntax. See, syntax says what? Create table, table name. So this is the part of syntax. Create is what? My DDL command. What we are creating? Table. So table should be written here. Table. So whatever the syntax, it is part of syntax. I'm making this color. Table. This is create table, and this is a variable name, guys. It is, you can write anything, name, any name you can write here. So name. Yes. Again here, what you are giving here, column name, data type. This is very important. Column name and data type. Okay. After that, comma you are giving. Column name and data type 1. Done. Next. Again, column name 2, data type 2. So like this, we have to write column name n, data type n. I wanted everyone, I'm giving you 1 minute of a time to note down this. All are listening? Yes. Yes, no? Yes, no sound?
Yes.
Yes. So take down this syntax, very important. Done, guys? Have you written? How many of you have written? Yes. Okay. Yes. Good. Now here, once you are done, let me give you this example. This is very important. This is syntax. This is example. So create table. And what is the name of my table, guys? Name of my table. What is name of my table?
Employees.
Sorry, what I'm doing here, I'm not understanding. Okay. I wanted to color this one. Here, yes. Name of my table is employees. Now employees is done. Now what is the column name I have given? First column. Column name will keep it in a different one. Column name is ID. But I have also given int also. Why I have given int, guys?
Because of it's a number.
Yeah, it is a number, and int, it is a part of the syntax. Means the two things we have to write here. Now next one is what? Name. And so name it is given, so I'm giving what? Varchar. Okay, so as it is a different column, so I'm giving it another color, guys, so don't get confused. Yeah. Now how many columns are there in this total?
3.
3. Only 3. How many columns?
10.
10 columns. Who is that? Oh my god, 10 columns. May I see who is that? Yes, Devender answered correct. No, 10 not ma. See here, we have employees. Employees is a table name and ID. This is my one column. ID, name, age, salary. So total how many columns? Respond.
4 columns.
Correct. Total 4 columns. Done. So it means what? We have created 4 columns. Okay. Now we are going to create this. We are going to apply this on our SQL command. On our SQL. So can anyone tell me in the search bar what I need to type? I need to type what? MySQL command line. So see here, MySQL workbench. I don't want that MySQL command line. So I wanted everyone have to do this. All are at the same page. If you all are at the same page, type page. Oh my god. Okay. So type page. Oh, I can able to see the reactions also, like who have given the reactions. Siva Chandra.
Sir, I haven't installed.
Who is this? Kavita? Oh, Kavita, you have not installed. Okay, then how? I will share you one link. Where is that link? Hmm. Wait. Kavita. Okay. Ramesh, are you there? Ramesh?
No, sir. I will
Ramesh is
share.
not. You have, right?
Mm.
I shared to Ramesh and Ramesh will share.
Kavita.
And you shared Madhuri's. Sir, once share the command prompt screen. Okay, good. Where is my command prompt screen? This one, Madhuri. Is it visible? Now, I wanted everyone, whoever is on the same page, they have to type same page. Page, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are ready. Others, in the starting 10 to 12 members have given that they are ready with the installation. So they have to type page here. Page, Sharat, yes. Bhavya. Madhuri, it's okay. Madhuri, is it okay for you? Very good. So guys, now what you need to do here is you need to, what are the commands I told you yesterday? I told you 2 commands and I remembered that. The 2 commands are show data bases. Yes. So when I'm typing the show databases, I'm getting all this. Okay. Now we are going to create our own database, guys. So let's create our own database. Now before that, I will teach you how to quit this. So see here, QUIT, quit. It's gone. Now you do the same thing and tell me whether it's working. If it is working, just type quit. QUIT. Yes, it's worked. Okay, 1%. Good. Good. Quit 1 2, how many are there? 1 1 2 3. For everyone it is working, I guess. Perfect. So now again, quit option you understood. Now again, command prompt. Yes, command line, directly open it. Yes, root. Now here we are going to create our own database, guys. So let's create database. And this time I wanted to create a database. What is a database? Like this batch. So we'll create a database, or else today. What is the day today? Friday, right?
Yes,
Friday, yes. Now let's see whether it is creating me any database or not. Create database Friday. Successfully created, guys. How we can understand it is successfully created? Query okay, one row affected. You can create whatever the name you wanted to keep your database, and check if you are created successfully. Now two things you have to do. If you have created database successfully, you have to check also show databases. Now Friday is seen. See here, Friday is seen, guys. Can you notice this Friday here?
yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these two things you have to do, guys. Once you have to create the database and you have to see the database. Once this two task is done, you have to comment wow. How many of you have typed wow? Only one. Satya, Chandu, 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5 members. Wow. Yes, 21 members. I can understand Kavita have not installed. So 20 at least. Once explain. Okay. Okay. About create again. Fine. Madhuri. I'm creating. Let me create once. Create. To create the database, you have to write create space database and then here name. So for example, Madhuri, I'm creating on your name, Madhuri. Okay. And I'm giving semicolon. Is it clear? Create database Madhuri. Yes. Now you have to press on enter button. Once you press on enter button, it will show that query okay, one row affected, and here the time also it is showing 0.01 second. Now in order to see this, you need to type what? Show databases, and your name will be there in my databases list here, Madhuri. So this is the command, Madhuri, here. Yes, how many vowels? Okay, got it. Good. Guys, wow, you have to write wow. Wow, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reinstalling SQL not working properly. Oh, okay. Fine. Good. So yes, you can do that, Devender. Yes. So guys, up to here, we have created, we created what? Database. One database I created. Be happy when we creating data na. Because what, Madhuri? Databases. So in order to create a table, first we need to select one thing, one database. So in order to select
Hello,
the
sir.
database, first we should have. Yes, hello.
When we are creating databases, in that there is a differentiation that performance schema is getting different and MySQL is getting different name, right? What are those?
One, like where you are getting different.
Like when we are creating the databases, the first one which we have created went to MySQL, and I have created the second one. It went to performance schema.
To where? Performance schema.
Yeah.
No, like for
Second
example,
table
now
went
I
to
have.
that.
Yeah, now I created Madhuri, right? So where it went? Let me check. Madhuri, it is not seen. Yes, it is here. Yeah, Madhuri. Yes, in this performance schema, Madhuri. Yes, it is after the information scheme. So you should not worry about it. It is internally happening. So it is taken by, this is inbuilt. Okay, so wherever it is going, it is not at all our matter. So what we need is, we want to create a table. Table is getting created in our database or not. Okay. Yes. Understood, guys? Okay. Now here, what we need to do is, now let's create a table. How to create a table? Yes, let's understand. Before creating a table, we need to choose the database. That is very important, guys. Now, For example, let me show you with this. A new file. Don't save this. Yes. Let me make this bigger. So in order to create some table, what I need is I wanted to have one database. This is my database. Here I can create what? Tables. So for example, this is my table. This is too big it is. Okay. So for example, here it is table. Yes. So like this one table. This is, I'm just representing here. This is another table. This is one more table. I know it is in circle, but try to understand, guys. So now what I'm doing here is I am giving one place where I can create this table, these tables. So what I can write here is, whenever I wanted to create a table, we need to select the database, or we need to create and select the database. Okay. So now we all understand how to create a database. Now we need to use it. So yes, guys, now what we need to do here is we need to create what? Table. So in order to create the table, first what we need to do, we need to select this. For example, what I have, what is my database name? Just now I created before Madhuri. So I need to use that database, Friday, right? Friday. Yes. So I need to use Friday, use my database name. Everyone have to do that. Database changed. Now when the database is changed, the meaning of this, guys, when the database is changed, now in this we can start working. Okay, so now what I will do is, let me create table. Now table name, so Friday. On the Friday database I'm creating a table, and the table name I'm giving something like student. I given the student. Now inside the student, see here what I have given here, create table. Okay, create table, and then name I have given. After this name, bracket, from here to here, bracket. For what this bracket I kept? To enter what? Names. Enter the column names. Here it is. Now I need to enter the column name. Create a table. Table name is student. Now here what I need to create? Two things I need to enter, guys. One is ID, and also one is int, whether it is integer or not. See here, id is in the form of integer. Again, name varchar. Got it? So here in id, and that is id is in the form of what? Integer. Again, what I need to create? Name varchar. How much we are giving the varchar? Here it is. For example, I am giving 20, because name will not go more than 20. Okay. Now id name is done. Now here id name, and here we can give subject. So subject is what? Subject is a part of varchar, strings only, right? So subject is also varchar. Now varchar, and here it is 20. Here I'm taking 10. Okay, I'm taking 10 here. So total how many columns I created as of now, guys?
Three, sir.
Kavita, it is 3 only. See, ID. Again, we have name, we have subject. Okay. Now what I need to do here, closing the bracket, semicolon, then enter. Successfully created, guys. Table I have created successfully. Now I need to see whether my table structure formed correctly or not. So for that, we have one command that is called DESC. And what is DESC? What is the table name? STUDE and student. See, now if you are getting these two things, then type amazing. If you can able to execute these two things. Here we are seeing what it is a schema. So what are the things we have in the fields? ID, name, subject, type, null. We have given what? All are nulls only. Keys, we have not mentioned any key here. Primary key or we have super key, composite key. All those we have not mentioned. Anything extra we have not given. So this is saying about our table structure. Yes. Yes. So now, yes. Amazing. Only two members. Where is my notepad? Notepad. Here it is. Straight up to here we have seen. So now it is very important parts like commands. First command was create database and name like Vivek. Anything we created Friday, right? Friday. Second one command is use. You have to use this database. Use Friday. Third command what we used is DESC. No, we have created, right? Create a table, and table name we given student. Inside the student, what we are writing? We are writing ID int, comma, name, varchar 20, again comma, subject sub, subject, and again after subject varchar again, varchar. Here again, here 30. That's it. So this is third command. Fourth command is DESC. DESC means what, guys? Describe. We are describing the table. Describe. Yes, describe table. What is the table name? Student. Done. So these are the commands I used, guys, just now. I have used these commands. Okay. So how many did amazing? 1, 2, 3. Guys, others, I wanted everyone to do this one. what is done? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, at least how many are there here? 19 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, only 6, 7 members. Guys, how about all? At least 12 members. I think you all are not doing it, means. These are very important point here. You have to do it. So we have done with all this. We are creating our database first, and then we are using that database. Second step, third step is creating a table. Then again, what we are doing? Describing the table. Done. Okay. Now let's go with the PPT. What we have now? What I have? What it is saying? Alter the command. Alter command. We have to use what? Alter command. Command is used to modify the structure or add or remove more columns. So guys, we are done with what? We are done with create. We are done with create. Now we are going to see alter. So now let's see the alter command, how it is helpful. Yes. Now to add a column in a table, what we need to do? Alter table, table name, add column name and data type. Okay. So now these things we are going to see here. Alter, you need to remember guys here. Yes. What happened to this? Alter. Fine. I guess from this also it is visible. So everyone please take down alter table name up to here. Alter table name. Okay. Now here alter table. What is table name? Student. STUDE student. Alter table name student. Then after that add column and data type. So see here, add column name and data type. So here it is add column name. So now for example, name, ID, name, subjects are done. Here it is. Now it is fine. Now alter table name, add. Alter table name, add. So what we are adding? Column name. So ID is done, name is done, location. Let's add location. Now this location, after this we need to give it what we have to give for this data type. Varchar. So for example, varchar, I'm taking this. Now I have taken varchar 20 and then 2. It is saying that 0 rows are affected and duplicates warnings. It will always give these kind of things for the alternate guys. Now I wanted to check whether it got one more column got added or not. So here it is ID, name, subject. I should get location also. So how to check this? DESC student. Yes. So now I have successfully added one column. So now guys, if you have to do these two things. Once you are done, you have to type alter. This is your work. You have to do now. alter. How many of you are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members. At least 4 more. 10 members. So what we have done, we have added one column extra. Extra means for depending on the requirements. So now we are not filling the data. Now we are working on the table only. So I guess we are done with this. Now let's see what we have next one. Now delete, to delete a column in the table. Now I don't want one column. Now I wanted to delete the column. So alter table, table name, drop column and column name. That's it. So let's see how we can do this. Alter table, and what is table name? Student. Where is this chat? Here. Okay, it should be visible to me. So alter table, table name, student. Okay, alter table, table name is student. Now what I need to do? Drop or it is delete. Yes, it is saying drop column. Column is going to be drop, and then column name. Drop column, and what is the column name I wanted to drop? Let me take it as subject. SUBJECT. Subject name. Now it is giving me record 0. Okay, query is okay. Query okay means what? It is successfully done. Now in order to check that, what I need to do? DESC, and here I need to type my table name. Is it deleted? Yes. So guys, this thing I wanted you to try, and once if you are deleted one column, then you need to type drop. You have to type drop in the chat box once you are done with this.
Sir,
Yes.
I have one doubt. What is the meaning of DESC?
Describe. It is a short form of describe. It is describing the table. How many nulls are there? How many keys are there? We have not added a key. That is the reason it is not showing. So whenever we are studying about keys, we'll learn about those also. Null, whether it is null or not. Yes, it is null. What are the type? So it is giving a brief structuring of the table. Understood?
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so how many drops I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6. 4 more I'm expecting, guys. Drop. Done? Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only. Fine, guys. So now you have dropped the column. We know how to add the column. We know how to do column. Very good. Now let's see the next one. To change the data type of a column in the table. Now, for example, I wanted to change the data type. Now it is varchar. I wanted to make it as integer. So alter table name, modify column. modify column, column name and data type. So let's see this. Now alter table, table name is student, alter table, table name. Up to here I have done. Now next one is what? Alter table, table name, modify column and then column name, modify column, modify column and then column name, which column name I wanted to modify. So for example, ID, for the ID I given int. So for ID, column name and then data type varchar. ID is integer, right? But I wanted to give ID as varchar 10. Okay. So now here alter table, table name student, alter table, table name student, modify column ID. This column is name, ID is the name of the column. And what is the data type I'm giving? Varchar. Let's see. Yes, successfully it ran. Now let me see this. DESC table name, STUDE and student. See guys here, type. In the type everything is varchar. Yes. Now if you have done this, you have to chat, you have to write, what you have to write is modified. You have to write with a serial number 1 modified. If 1 is done, 2 modified, like this, so that I can have the count also. I no need to count every time. If you write 5 modified, means 5 members. Yes, like this. Only one person have done. Others, please take a time and do this. So it is saying that how to change the data type of my column. Kavita also done. Okay, Kavita, you installed 3 modified, showing error. What is the error, Bhavya? Array, what is this 4 modified, 4 modified? No. Satya should write 5 modified. So 5 members. Yes, Satya, correct. So 5 members have done. Others, 6 modified. Good. Where is he? Chandra Sena Reddy. Are you there? You have posted? No.
Yes, sir, I'm there. I'm typing, sir. I have done.
Oh, good, good. Seven modified. Good. And others have to also modify. So in this we have learned add the column, delete the column, and to change the data type of one of the column. Yes. At least 2 more members try so that we can learn new thing. Next one. Three modified. Okay, Bhavya, it's done. What was the error? Why you were having problem? I have given the underscore, sir. Underscore. Okay, maybe. Okay, guys, fine. Now let's see the next one. What is the next one in the bucket? Two more we have. Change the column name in a table. Okay, column name I wanted to change, not a data type, nothing. Column name. So alter table name. From here it is change same. Change column. Yes, change column. Old column and new column. Again data type. Okay. So it is bit interesting to change the column name in a table. Let's see. Let's do this. So what I have to do? Alter table name student. Okay, up to here I have done. Now change. Now what I have to change? Column. What I have to change column. Now what it is giving us? Alter table name, change column, old column and new column. Old column, new column, data type. Okay. Old column is what? ID. Because ID I made it as varchar, right? So I need to change the name of ID. Change column ID. And instead of ID, I have to write something there. A first name, any other name I have to give for the column. Instead of ID, marks are numbers. What I can keep? Subject name is already. Okay, subject name is not there. Student name is there. Address. Fine. I wanted to change this ID as address. Location is already there, right? Okay, no problem. Address. So it is my old name is ID, new name is address, and what I need to write here? Data type. So data type is varchar. Varchar only I'm keeping. Guys, is it done? So now let me check whether my ID got changed as address or not. So let me check this. And guys, we have shortcut one, upper keys and down keys. We have that 4 keys, right? Left, right, up, down. With that also you can do it very easily. So now what it is? Now ID has been removed. In the place of ID, we got what? Address. Now, if this is successfully done, then what you have to comment with the number is name changed. You have to comment 1 name changed, 2 name changed. Two name change, one name change, 2 name change. Kavita and Venkatesh. Kavita, okay, Venkatesh, it should be 3. And Bhavya 1. Satyasai already taken 1 number. Bhavya, you have to take another number. Yes, 6 name change. Others, yes, it is 18 members, but the only 5 to 6 members are interacting with me. Only 6 members. 6, or it is not even 6, 5, I guess. Question, sir, we are changing it row ID. Sir, we are changing the row ID is row. Whatever, you can give any name. See here, ID, I given the ID as address. You can unmute yourself, Kushwant, if you wanted to convey something. So Bhavya has changed. How about Madhuri? Yes. We are waiting. 7 name change. Okay. Indra Sena Reddy. His name is not there. Others. Others are sleeping or what? Chandu. Chandu is done. Bhanu Chandra. Vamshi Krishna. Actually, this is a problem, guys, in the online mode. Interaction is very less. Eight. Okay, 8 is done. So guys, now up to now what we have done with changing, adding one column, removing one column, adding, removing, changing the data type of the column, and changing the name of the column. We have done. Now let's see how to change the table name. Now to rename the table name, student I have done. It is student. Now we can change that name as any other name. So alter table name, rename to new table name. That's it. Rename to new table name. So let's do this. Yeah. Now alter table name, student. Now after this, what we need to do? Alter table name, rename to new table name, rename to new table name directly. Now here earlier we have student. Now I will keep as something other name to my students. I will keep batch, or no batch, Myra batch. Myra batch. So now I need to check whether it has been changed or not. So to check that, DESC. Yes. Now to check this, DESC student name. So for example, if I'm writing the old name of the table, student.
It's
So
getting
will it
error.
work? Will it work?
No, sir.
It is not
It's
working.
getting error.
Yeah, it is giving me error. So what it is saying, table Friday.table does not exist. If it is giving error, it is good only, right? So what we need to write here, DESC Myra batch. Yes. So now the table name has been changed. So if you have done this one, now you need to write rename. Fine, rename, you can write rename. Yes. Four members renamed, 5. name only 6 members. 6 members. 5 2 times. So 7 members. Okay. So guys, we are done with the create. We are done with alter. In the alter, we have seen total 5 variations. What are those variations? First one, adding the column. Second one, removing the column. Third one, changing the data type of a column. Fourth one is changing the name of the column. Fifth one is changing the name of the table. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go with the slides. Yes, this is just one example I given. Okay, drop. So we need to use what? Drop. The drop command is used to remove the existing table objects like table, all this. Now let's see what is this drop is going to do. Drop table. Yes. Now we will be going to see that first we'll do truncate. Everyone have to do the truncate, guys. Now we'll do truncate. After that we'll go with a drop. So truncate table employees. Truncate table employees. Okay. Now here truncate table Myra batch. So I have truncated. Now let's see whether after truncate do I have anything or not. DESC Myra batch. Yes, guys. Even I have truncated, still this is there. Yes, it is there. Now let me delete. Let me drop this. Drop. So what is the command for a drop? Let's see here. Drop table and table name. That's it. Yes. Drop table Myra batch. Drop table Myra batch. Yes. Drop table Myra batch. Let's describe this. DESC. Let me use the shortcuts. See guys, now we are getting what? Error. Why I'm getting error? Because Myra batch is not available. We deleted. So whatever we have written, address, name, location, everything what? Everything got deleted, guys. Everything got deleted. But when I did the truncate, in the truncate, it was the structure is still there. Rows will be getting deleted. But rows we have not added. We will add when we are dealing with the DML commands. So as of now, you have to do these two things. One is first you have to do the truncate table, then again drop the table. Once this is successfully done, if you are getting error, then you need to mention in the chat box truncate. 1 truncate, 2 truncate, like this. If you are done, take your time. Members, 3 members. truncate 5 truncate. Six truncate. Good guys. So we are done with what? This also. Now let's see what is next one. Truncate is done. Now rename table. So already we know about the rename table. We can do with the alter also. Rename table old to new. So to do this, you need to create a table. You need to create a table, guys. So now I'm giving you small work. I wanted everyone have to create a table on your name and give your own attributes like mocks. Yes. And do we have here option of screen like a picture? You can take a screenshot and you can show it to me here in this chat box so that I can verify with the output. Okay. So take a 5 minutes of a time. What I wanted is I wanted you to create one same database you can use. You have to create one table. The table should be your name. Like for example, my name Vivek. Table name is Vivek. Now about myself, I need to write about myself. I have to create the columns. So about myself, like name, age, marks, like this. At least 3 columns. Let me explain you here. The question is create a table of your name. So example, I'm saying Vivek. Vivek is my name. Now here attributes I'm adding, like what are the things in the day-to-day life we do generally. So like for example, I do go to so many colleges. So I will write what college names. This is what, this is one of my table. Again, what are the items I like in the food I made. Okay. Now how much amount I'm spending. Amount means what? In teaser it is amount. That's it. So like this, I wanted you all to try college name, food, amount. So this is about Vivek. Okay. And I wanted you, after trying this, you have to change the name to your surname. First is Vivek. Next one is rename to my surname. Surname is Pandey. Now the table name becomes Pandey. Now I wanted you all to do this, and you have to rename by using this rename table old name to new name. So this one command I wanted you all to follow. Now how you are going to do, once you are done, you have to take a pic and you have to post it in the chat box. Understood? Guys, how many of you understood? Raise your hands. Devender understood. Okay. Chandu understood. Yes. So guys, I'm giving you, yeah. So in order to check once, I wanted someone to just paste one rough anything, one pic of your notes or of your laptop here in this chat box, whether it is supporting or not. God, what is this? What, sir? Okay, fine. Yes, you can able to paste. It is alien, Devinder. Yes. Kavita, you did not understand what to do. Yes, everyone have to do now. No, sir. Oh my God. I need to repeat everything. Wait. No, no. Bhavya. Wait, Kavita. I will find out some alternate for you. I understood class, sir. Not class. Now I given one small work task. Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the task I given?
We have to create the table by using our name, and in that we have to create the columns like college name, food, and amount.
Okay. Next.
We have to rename our name to another name.
Other name or surname? Okay, Bhavya. Fine. You said something. Okay. Chandrasena Reddy. Chandra?
Sir, I didn't listen what you said. Can you please?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. My
But you are
power
not
was,
audible. Like,
yeah, but before my power of signal was gone. My power was gone. That's why I'm not able to connect with it.
okay, there is
Hello.
no power cut. Okay. Fine, fine.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Will not disturb you. Then who is there? Who will explain to Kavita? Chandu.
Sir, I understood, sir.
You understood?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, then fine. You are doing the task?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, guys, then it's fine. So, guys, you all have to do the task and you have to share your picture here. Not your means the table, the code, and the output. Before before 8:50, try at least. The task should be done because everything is recorded. They will be coming to know that how you are doing the task. All have to do, at least whoever is listening. Page.
Yeah, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Uddej, are you there?
Yeah, sir, I am there.
Okay, you are working.
Yeah. Sir.
Okay, so Utej, you have to do one more task, Utej.
Tell me, sir.
So in that Excel sheet, you have to create one Excel sheet. Like you are attending from regular, right? All the classes of SQL.
SQL I'm not attending. I will do that.
Like you have attended the classes from starting.
Yeah.
So if you have attended, like you can like mention serial number, date, and topics covered. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So like we will have one record right with us.
Yeah.
Guys, anyone done with the renaming and you can share it here. So in the DDL, we have touched everything. We have seen practically also. Only one part, that renaming part. With the alter command, we have done that. But direct command is also there for the rename. That's what I wanted you all. So I'm going to show this. Here it is. This one. It is. Sorry. Here it is. This is the command. See, here it is the command. Venkatesh posted something. Venkatesh have done what you have done, Venkatesh. Venkatesh. Okay. Alter table. Okay, alter not Venkatesh. You what from where you have done alter table. You have to create one table, na starting. Okay, created table. Good. You created table ID, name, subject, marks. Very good. Again here, Venkatesh, name, subject, everything is there. Alter table Venkatesh, add no, you have to do it. It means you have not deleted that. Truncate. After truncate, we need to create another one. So I think you have not done that. Directly you are alter. No, without alter I said Venkatesh. Let me see the Bhavyas. Bhavya, what you have done? DSC Bhavya. Okay, created Bhavya. Mall name, item name, cost. Okay. Now here mall name, item, cost. Okay, you created and you described. Now alter. Guys, I did not set to use alter. Without alter command. See here. Is there any alter command is used in this? Rename table, right? Rename table, old table to new table. So before renaming, you have to create a table. Any table you have to create and then try to rename by this command. No need of alter. Alter I have told anyhow. Understood? Like both of you tried, but what exactly I need is not that. So guys, more 4 minutes I'm giving. After that, we'll try once. I did without using alter. Who's saying Bhavya? You are saying okay. Without alter, huh? Rename table Bhavya to Sneha. Perfect. Then it is correct. So Bhavya, you have changed it to the Sneha. Here it is now. Okay, I have not seen it. Rename table. Yeah. So you are done. Only one person. Good, Bhavya. You are done. Others? Create a table. Devinder. You are done, Devinder. Rename table marks to evaluation. Describe evaluation. Very good. You are also done. So here there is no alter. You are done with the rename directly. Good. 2 members are done. Come on, guys, fast. So yes, Bhavya and Devinder. Yeah, both of you are done. Others? Happened only 2 members. Okay, guys, so now that is what your homework is. Now you are unable to do, but try to do it at the in the home. Okay, after this call you can try, or you can try by tomorrow. I wanted everyone, whomever I'm asking, I will be asking you to share the screen, and you have to rename the table name. Okay, is it okay for everyone? Raise your hands if it is okay. By tomorrow, I wanted you to learn how to rename the table. You have the command also with you. Yes, tomorrow in the first starting of the session only, I will ask someone to, yes, share your screen and you have to type the command. Okay. Fine, guys. So what are the things we have learned in today's session? Can anyone, what we have learned? Guys, can anyone unmute yourself and tell me what we have learned in today's class? You can use the chat box fast.
Sir, we have seen data types. We have seen data types, numeric data types, string data types, base data types.
Yeah, total we have seen data types. That is next.
We created the table.
Okay. We create option we use.
Create, rename. We use rename, alter, and we alter the table, drop the table, modify the table, truncate.
Yes. Create, alter, drop, modify, truncate. Okay, guys. Now we have done with all this. So I think we are done with the session. Now, guys, how was the session? You just have to write anything like good, nice, anything, and after that you can write bye. Okay, then that I will think that yes, everything is good. Now we can do tata, bye bye. So write one adverb and bye then. How was the session, guys? And you can leave after writing. You can leave. Nice. Bye. Okay. Bye, Sayutej. Bhavya. Good, sir. Bye. Bye bye. Kavita. Bye. Good. You have written. Okay. Thank you, Kavita. Bye. Chandu, goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Okay. Bye, sir Venkatesh. Good. Sayonara. I don't know that. What is that? Sayonara. What is that, Afridi? It is bye in any other language? Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, sir. Which language? Okay. Satya Sai. Bye. Bye, Satya. So, have you learned? If you learned something, yeah, nice, sir. Vamshi Krishna. Bye. Madhuri. Okay. Bye, Madhuri. Hmm. Okay. Fine, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.
The meeting has ended. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.